What took you so long? I've been waiting for you, buddy. Now that you are here, let's take a walk. Yeah, I know you are aware that you are alive, but what will you say if I ask you what living things are? Don't browse your brain too much. The answer is in the characteristics of living things. I know you care about knowing what these characteristics are, but I would like to introduce the characteristics of living things to you by adventure. I will tell you one after the other as we keep walking. The first characteristics I will tell you is about movement. Wow, look at that. It's actually what we are doing right now. Living things like man, elephants, birds, fish, earthworms, and so on move from one place to another. However, some animals like sponges and plants cannot move away from where they grow, but they move in response to stimuli. And that is why you see plants growing towards sunlight. By and large, living things move while non-living things are stationed in a particular place and they do not respond to their environmental change. Now you see why rocks don't move. Okay, keep walking with me. Oh, there is a bridge. Let's cross it and get something to eat. Hey, look at what we found here. Nutrition. Living things carry out nutrition to get energy. There are two modes of nutrition, which are autotrophic and heterotrophic. Plants and some members of Monera and Procests are autotrophic. Autotrophs do not depend on any other living things before they can carry out nutrition. These guys carry out nutrition by converting energy from the sunlight to food through a process called photosynthesis. But you and I can't do that. We just have to depend on these plants and other lower animals to feed, Keep eating, buddy. We will continue our journey soon. Hey, what? Look at you. Buddy, you're growing already. And that reminds me of another characteristics of living things, which is growth. I have got to let you know that growth is an increase in size and weight, and growth is not reversible. The fact is, all living things grow to become healthier, taller, and bigger. Nevertheless, plants grow continuously throughout their lifetime, while animals' growth is limited. I hope you're following. Good! It's about to rain. Let's take shed in the hut over there. Buddy, do you know what we just did again? We just respond to a change in environment, and that is termed sensitivity. Remember, I told you that plants grow towards sunlight, yeah? That's because plants are sensitive to light. We are here in the earth because we are sensitive to the environmental change, yeah? That is right, and that is what you call sensitivity. Furthermore, I want you to know that living things respond to touch, light, and so on. It's no more raining. Let's continue our journey. Oh, there you go again. You want to urinate. Okay, cool. But you have got to know that what you are about to do is called excretion. Excretion is the removal of waste products from the body. Mind you, not all living things urinate. Some animals excrete water, carbon dioxide, and ammonia. Plants release oxygen, water, gum, tallene, and so on as waste products. Buddy, I know what you eat gives energy, and that is why you are physically strong and healthy. That's cool. Just so you know, living things exchange gases with their environment. Yeah, that's right, and the process is called respiration. It is important that you know that plants produce oxygen we breathe in, and we provide them carbon dioxide too. But there is one more characteristic of living things that is important you must know. You wouldn't exist if you were not reproduced, and that is why reproduction is very important to the human race. If we stop reproducing young ones, we will become extinct. So I am bringing to your attention that all living things reproduce. Buddy, we are home now, and luckily for us, we finished talking about the characteristics of living things already. Let's meet next time to talk about a more interesting topic. I will miss you, buddy. Bye-bye.